How to monetize YouTube Shorts. Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can monetize your YouTube Shorts. It's a new update and I'm going to talk about that, and I'm going to tell you each and everything about that. So let's get into it. So first of all, as you all know, that YouTube has given option to create short videos on your profile, and that can be related to anything, but they have to be original and you can upload them on your YouTube channel. So but the monetization of YouTube Shorts was quite difficult. Like, it used to be something which was related to YouTube Shorts fund. What happened in YouTube Shorts fund was you were given $100 million fund, which was basically given the name of YouTube Shorts fund. So this fund was divided to different creators, to basically all the creators that were eligible and that were whose content was quality enough to be given this kind of fund. So this one fund was shared among all of those YouTube creators, and you cannot earn as much from that because there was no monetization there. You're just getting a bonus out of that fund. So the eligibility for that fund was also quite difficult. Like, channels need to have uploaded at least one eligible short in the last 180 days. Channels need to abide by YouTube's community guidelines. Channels must upload original content. Ineligible videos include but are not limited to non-original videos. Videos are re-uploaded from other creators' channel. Like, these are all the non-eligible videos. And creators must be 13 or older in the United States, and creators 13 to 18 years old have a parent or guardian, accept terms, and set up an AdSense account for payment when one isn't already linked to their channel. So this is basically what used to happen in YouTube short fund, and you can only earn a specific amount from YouTube short fund and you cannot earn more than that. So there is a new update that is basically going to get you monetized on YouTube Shorts as well, because as you all know, people are moving towards YouTube Shorts more and more. So this is basically what is going to happen on February 1, 2023. It is going to happen, and the YouTube Shorts you're going to be basically able to monetize your YouTube Shorts. How you're going to do that is basically the eligibility has been changed. The YouTube Partner Program, they call it the YouTube Partner Program. It basically gives you 1,000 subscribers. Your channel must has 1,000 subscribers. That is the main requirement for that. But in addition to that, you can either have 4,000 valid public watch hours in the last 12 months. That is what used to happen on for the longer videos, and you have to have 10 million valid public short views in the last 90 days. So as you know, if your short went viral or if a lot of people see your shorts, you can get 10 million valid public shorts views in the last 90 days in 3 months. So this is basically what is the eligibility for YouTube Shorts, and this is basically the eligibility for YouTube long videos, but 1,000 subscribers are a must. So this is basically YouTube Partner Program. It is going to be working from February 1, 2023, which is very soon. So you can become eligible for monetization of your YouTube Shorts, and you can basically earn as much from them as you are earning from your longer videos. And it is, I think, really great because the short videos are the future of YouTube and of all the platforms, all the social platforms, because the Instagram introduced their reels. You can make Snapchat stories. So Instagram basically gave you an option to add reels. Facebook has also given an option to add stories or something. So these are basically the options to there's a TikTok which have these short kind of videos. So this is basically the future, and the longer videos are good to explain longer concepts, but for entertainment purposes and for just randomly knowing new things and everything, I think the shorter videos are a great way to get on, and the shorter videos are also a great way to basically learn new things quickly. And as you know, people are moving towards a more creative, a better and more efficient side of things getting done. So I think YouTube Shorts is a really great way to get along with your channel and to get along with where the world is going, because along with longer videos, you should start making shorter videos as well. And now it is also quality sum. It is also basically going to give you some money. Before that, it was kind of not that money making. It was not something business like, and people weren't moving towards that much because it wasn't making enough revenue. But now it will, because here you can see that become eligible for YBP Shorts. As you can see, after applying for YBP, a channel will be reviewed to check whether it meets YouTube channel's monetization policies. Okay, so once here you can see that once in the program, partners get access to all the features and benefits that YBP has to offer, including ads on long form videos. Creators still have the option to qualify for YPP with 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 public watch hours in the last 12 months. However, any watch hours from short views don't count towards the threshold. Okay, so here you can see that examples for non-eligible videos. to apply for YPP, you have to be eligible for monetization's channel, must upload original content whether created on or off YouTube. So your content must be original. Here you can see that non-original videos like unedited clips from movies or TV shows, re-uploading other creators' content from YouTube or other platforms with no original content added. So here you can see there is a loophole for that. If you are creating a content and you are basically making a different kind of videos for entertainment or whatever purpose you want, but if you don't want to do that, if you don't want to show your face, if you don't have enough if you think that you cannot make something entirely of your own, what you can do is basically you can take clips from TVs or shows, or you can re-upload other creators content. But what you have to do is basically you have to add your content to that, so that becomes your video and it doesn't stay their video. So what you can do is you can basically get, for example, you can get a movie or you can get a song and you can basically give a review of it. You can basically add a webcam and small screen and add it and on the bottom of your screen or on the upper side of your screen, and you can basically give a review. You can basically add a critique, you can basically make a roast video on that, or you can add any kind of content to that original content and it instantly becomes yours, and that doesn't include any theft and it will be ineligible videos and you can make money from that. Let me show an example. So here is this person, this is Dylan Anderson, and here you can see he has 4.07 million subscribers on YouTube, and he's basically making short videos from quite long now, but he only started in something like 2022 and it is not even that long. So what he does is basically he get contents from social media, he get contents from different kinds of TV shows, different kind of other creators and everything, and then he adds something a relative story, something that is happening in the video. He basically explains that. Here you can see that this is basically a simple video where people are doing some simple stuff, and he has added narration, and he has also added the caption, subtitles, and some working arrows or something, whatever is going to happen in video. Let me show you guys. Here you can see that their wedding didn't know is that her brother came home to surprise her, and you can see that this is basically a content of someone else, but he has basically added a narration and a subtitle. It became his content, and he has all these kind of short videos on his channel, and this is how basically he must be making a lot of money. Now from 2023 he will be making more money because you can see that he has a lot of videos and all of his videos have like 1.4 million views, 4.8 million views, 6.4 million views. Like they have a lot of views, so you can just go on and create something like that and you are good to go. You are going to get into the YouTube Shorts game and you can generate some really good revenue from that. As I've told you before, YouTube Shorts weren't as much paying before, but now they are. So you can just go on and get in the game, and if you start working on this, you're basically going to get a lot of money in like 6 months or something like that. If you let it grow, if you keep yourself consistent, if you keep making content, then I'm pretty much sure that it is going to get you a lot of money. It is going to get you a lot of views, and it is also going to give you a lot of creative options to move along and expand your business. So this was it for today's video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. Please give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe to Softwares Made Easy.